Guys, I'm just walking at night and I'm walking on this river. This is the situation we are in currently in Karura, Girgil. Like the whole road is covered with water. Look, I'm just walking, by the way. It's very risky, but yeah, this is a lot of water, as you can see. It is not like, I don't know, I have never seen this before. And where like I'm stepping now, lucky enough I have some boots. The water is so much to an extent, even some homes like this one have been flooded by the water. Yeah, like now I'm now stuck here. I don't know. I'm not stuck here because already the water is so much. Jesus Christ, the water is so much. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's better. Whew. Look, I don't even believe this is what is happening. Guys, you were talking about El Nino. This is now the real El Nino. This is the real El Nino. All the homes have been flooded. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. The home, ooh my God, now I'm in again. Look, there. The house is already flooded with water, and it's someone's business. And some houses have been like swept out by this water in this village of ours. So I'm like worried, very much worried about walking here. But now I have to get home because when it was raining, Jesus Christ, I wasn't here. When it was raining, I was a bit this side of the village, but now I have to go back to my house because east or west, my small ground of where I sleep is the best. Oh my goodness, no, this is not good. Whew. Whew. I've never seen this before. I'm just recording this at night, having in mind no one is on the road apart from me. So this is being mad at the same time. I don't know, it's being clever or what, I don't know, but this is too much. Listen to the sound of the water. Being short is not good. Look, the water is getting into my boots. Jesus. Do you think, guys, I'm going to reach home? Look. 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 Look, I'm like being swept literally by the water. It's actually, the force is even more than me. I don't know. Woo. Pray that I arrive home safely. I'm going to have a cold after this, I know, but now I have to go home. God have mercy. Please. This is woo. Oh, better. This is good. But still I have a long way to go. Whew. My gumboots are full of water now. Jesus. Whoa. This is too much, oh. This is too much, oh God. Now, but guys, Sasa, I have to go up to this road. I have to finish this road. I've got other like a few hundreds of meters to go, and then when I turn, like I'm heading to my place, is even more worse than here. So, guys, this is not good. Woo. Woo, 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 oh, oh, oh. Oh, no way. This is, yeah, and you know you have to make sure you are in a better place because you don't know where is deep, where is not deep, right? So you have to be very careful. Juda kwambia goko wenda gutwaro ni rui uka guku na roro ni rui roka umuthi rutiregete guka tutietwo na rui ta ruru ringi. Another dip. Maru gothiera ku. Where will I pass now, guys? Whoa, I don't know. Where do I pass? This is, look, this one is getting to someone's house. Now I'm stuck here. So I need to work out how to go on that side. Okay? I need to work out. Oh, hey, oh, Woko is not good. Yeah, now I'm okay a bit. lakini guku reke ngwire guku si kuzuri. This is a lot of water. My man maigirira kura marakuhutia mwiri ukaigua ta turathie kiria turathie kundu gwitagwo winter season. Yukane kundu gwitagwo Ngai tarwa me maingi guku andu a Ngai. Wona atia guku nigakinya gwakwa nyumba nginya ndakigio rumwe nimekuwa na urume riu ningi nithie mwena uria nona kou. I'm confused. Look. What? Anyway, I hope for the best of reaching in my house. I'm the only one in this road. The only human character. Where? I'm almost out of the danger because this is where the water is coming from. This is where the river has broken. See? Yeah. But I will be fine when I'm out of this place. Look. Look. It's really crazy, right? Wow. But now I'm safe. I'm really safe. This is dry land now. I can walk home safely up to the highway and then I'll be back home. But now before that, I have to remove my shoes and pour some water. Just wait and see. Not some water, much water. I hope there's no animal, but it's gonna come. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see, see that? Oi, is there animals? No. Utie mundu wendete guthie matu-ini tene. We, haku. Utire nyumba citu itira igana. Mabati matire mareka ndi. And then this one also. The other one. It has a lot of water inside, but I'm not able to remove it because it's a stuck. Nitaenda kutolea kwa nyumba anyway. Guys, thank you. Thank God. I'm out of danger. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. This was not good. So guys, continue subscribing to my YouTube channel, Alex NN, and so that you can see many more good things than this. This is not good. But subscribe, share, comment. A few meters to my house. This is the highway. Oh, come on. My hand. Phone. Kaba gukinya mucii. Kaba gukinya mucii ma. Ngai. Tondu reke ngwire rũĩ rũrĩa mwena ũrĩa wa tumbo. Hi, rũĩ. Yeni, no mwakaingia mũikaria hau. Tondu we ika rĩ. Ika ti kwega. Ndonire aikara ika rĩ. Ti safe mũno. Nitakataka ũrĩkũ. Ni no wega gũikara nake. Oh, I'm back to my house now. Oh my goodness, it's not bad, right? It's not bad. Welcome to my house. This is my harbor place for a bachelor. It's really good. Yeah, gamutugo ndagaikirie hau. I thank God that I'm safe back home. Yeah.